What did I answer? This kind of... What is inside your baby wrap? Okay. No, okay, my father. This kind got nice. Nice. Oh, this is gonna become in handy.
Now, go put your hair.
Okay. This one. This kind got another one in this. I think that's on my order. I order this one. Another one, no deal. Another one, no deal. Alright, so. Alright, so you put your oil, you close, and you treat your scalp. This is gonna come in very, very handy. And that's all the orders I have. I love the fact that it's pink, so pinky, 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 Hey guys.
Hi guys.
Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good girl. So I am super I'm super excited. Like you.
I'm excited.
Okay, so why I'm excited like this is that a beautiful subscriber of mine, I'm subscribed to her channel as well, and she subscribed to my channel as well. Like, oh my god, it's Mia. So I just received something from her. I am so grateful, sis. Like you. Say thank you.
Thank you,
Auntie.
Auntie.
So thank you so much, sis. Like, God bless you. God bless your family. Like,
God bless you.
Yeah, God bless her. Yes, God bless your family. You just made me smile today. I am really grateful. I appreciate the gifts very well. I appreciate it so much. And yeah, I want to make Madam's hair. This should be like a few days in my life because I'm going to join this clip with another clip. So I want to make Madam's hair. Today is the end of the month, end of July. Yeah, tomorrow is new month and these protestings. I don't know what is going to go on, but anyway, shall move forward for this Nigeria. Alright guys, so I came here to say thank you, and I'll take you guys along in making this child's hair. Like, or I'll show you guys after I'm finished making her hair. I'm having flu, I have cold, and she has cold as well, but I got tablets for us to drink. Since I'll be doing my workout, I'll be bathing cold water. I don't know, I just have this drive in bathing cold water ever since I started doing my workout.
Cold water.
You do not bath cold water, you bath warm water. So I'll be bathing cold water, and I don't know, maybe it's because of the flu or it's because it has been raining in Abuja like non-stop. Today itself, at least it rained today, but sun is out a bit, but it has been raining almost literally every day in Abuja. Anyway, even when it is raining, I still bath cold water. So I feel maybe that's what happened, made me have flu. So my nose is blocked. I'm having something on my throat. I don't know, but I'm taking tablets. I know by tomorrow I should feel much better, but I still do my workout even if I'm having cold. Because we're almost done. Like, I think I still have like 5 days. Yeah, 5 days or 6 days to go. But I started this workout on the 6th of July, so 6th of August I should be done with the workout. Yeah, but I'll keep on doing my workout, but not every day, because this everyday workout is not easy. Like seriously, it's not easy. There are days that I could not get up from the bed, my leg was shaking like chicken when they pour hot water, like but hey God, it's not easy. Anyway, I'll do a video about it, sure. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next clip, and please say thank you to this my beautiful sister. Like the gift is so incredible. I really appreciate it. Okay, and yeah, let's make her hair. Go let me make her hair. Stay on please. Another one side. Mona, stop putting those things in your hand. Stop putting them in your hand. Step on plates. This I know say you no go last, but at least let you carry for like 5 days. So stop touching your hair. If this hair stays for 5 days, I'll be very happy. Because this one, hair, this is half cash treatment. Now hair is so beautiful, but it's hard to plait. It's not the last. Before you know it now, if you scratch it, or maybe it's my hand, I don't know. If you scratch it 2-3 times today, it will be rough. It will be rough. I don't want to put attachment on your hair. The last time I put attachment on your hair will cut.
We get cut?
Yes, we cut. And Mama is trying to pull your hair, so your hair will be very, very long. So Mama don't get long hair. Wait, you get long hair. This thing now, I don't want to give person light to give any never. You'll be having light to. Neighbor sees the light, bring the light back next problem. And set fire. Madam. This is the back of her hair. Another one side. Muna. This is the outcome of the hair. This hair was a fight though. We fight a lot of Jackie Chan to get this hair. Just pray it stays for maybe 1 week without it losing. Packing your hair for school. See here I did. Which day go did I do your hair? See it has it has loose. Your hair is gonna be packed for school. Yeah. Is that how you push your baby? Okay. Say hello.
Hi. Baby, have this one.
Okay.
That's your baby for me. Yeah?
Let's go and swing. Go. This is our stroller. Uba.
What is that inside? Oh, what is this?
It's her baby.
Can I carry it?
So guys, we are going to be doing unboxing.
Unboxing.
First of all, got this bag. Mama needs a new bag.
Wow, Mama.
Yeah.
Ma, I like it.
Have you seen the inside? That's it.
Ma, I like it. Ma, I like it.
Remove your hand. This is what the bag looks like. Remove your hand.
Ma, I like it. Ma, I like it. Ma, I like it.
Thank you.
Ma, I like it, the bag.
Thank you, Mia. Thank you very
But
much. Wait. Wait. This is the bag. The front and the back.
It's not the bag.
Yeah.
Guys, bag.
That's mommy's bag.
Yes.
This is the inside.
Mama.
What did I put in? Paper. This is the long handbag.
Look how that.
Paper again. So this is the inside. I love the fact that it's portable. So that's for this bag. It's a simple bag because I need a new bag to be used to going out.
Mama, go out.
Later, let me fix the hand.
Whoa. But I like your bag.
Thank you.
I like your bag is to go out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Huh? I'm not sure your bag is nice.
So, I like it. It's very, very simple handbag to use and go out. Yeah. So this is it. So the next item is this.
What? What is that? What is that? What? What? Mama,
I
Mama.
got this shoe. I got these slippers in 2 sizes. Okay. I need to open my own. This one is my own. The other one is my friend. This is what it looks like. How the
Mom?
slippers looks like. Yes.
It's for you.
Yes, it's for me. This is how the slippers looks like. Thank you. So I'm going to wear it and see why
Mommy,
the
go
business like
away.
this. But anyway. Anyway, this 39 is small.
Mama.
This 39 is small. I can order for 40. 39 is very, very small. Very small. Let me see if you can change it though. Give me 40.
I like it.
Thank you. So the last one I got is this toothpaste.
Mama.
It's for gymming. I'm going to try it. This is L. Just Primark. I also this enter me. Anyway, I'm going to try it. I love the fact that it's stretchy. So I'm going to try it and I'll show you guys. So this is the pants without the shirt. I love the fact that it's stretchy and it's soft. And this is what it looks like.
It's not a dress. He did. Are you back? Are you back? Feet in.
Yeah, so please. Yeah, I love it. I think I'll order more. 'Cause I just saw it and I love the feel. My house is a bit scattered. Madam will not like. So I'll order more of this. Yeah, I love this. Hmm? What happened to your shoes?
My shoes beautiful.
Yes, it's beautiful, baby. Alright, finish.